ain't for everyone. Alarm clock ringing at 2 a.m. Phone call says you're on duty again. Coffee in a thermos, boots on my feet. Another 100 miles down a steel-lined street. Missed birthdays, missed holidays too. Watching my hometown through a rear view. Everybody loves trains when they're passing by, but they don't see the sacrifice. This life ain't for everyone, that's for sure. Long nights, hard miles, and a whole lot more. Living by a schedule that you never know. Always one call from having to go. From the frozen north to the desert sun. Working while the whole world's having fun. It's a tough road rolling beneath these wheels, but a railroader's heart is made of steel. This life ain't for everyone. Climbing the bladders in the pouring rain, walking ballots while the storm rolls in. Dodging the heat in the winter snow, doing what it takes to keep commerce moving. The paychecks look good, that's what they say, but every dollar's earned the hard way. Sleeping in hotels far from home, learning what it's like to be alone. This life ain't for everyone, that's for sure. Long nights, hard miles, and a whole lot more. Living by a schedule that you never know. Always one call from having to go. From the frozen north to the desert sun. Working while the whole world's having fun. It's a tough road rolling beneath these wheels, but a railroader's heart is made of steel. This life ain't for everyone. This life ain't for everyone. Some quit after a week, some after a year. Some can't handle being gone, that's clear. But the ones who stay know why they're here, keeping America moving mile after mile. This life ain't for everyone, that's alright. Some are built for 9 to 5, sleeping every night. But if you hear that whistle calling your name, you chase that horizon just the same. Through the hard times and the setting sun, I wouldn't trade this life for anyone. It's a blessing and a burden rolled into one. And this life ain't for everyone. Steel rails humming underneath the stars above. You don't choose the railroad chooses you.
Alright. Hey there, stranger, across the floor. Got a feeling I've seen you before. In a daydream, under the neon glow. Come on over, let the good times flow. Don't you fight it, feel the beat, tapping down to your happy feet. If the rhythm's in your soul, just give in and lose control. Whoa. Tonight the stars align for you and me. Oh. Whoa. Just let the funk and soul set you free. Whoa. One step forward, 2 steps back. Keep it moving on the right track. There's no manual, there's no guide. Just the feeling deep inside.
Paint the city black, 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 black. Paint the city black, 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 black. Paint the city black, 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 black.
Hear the engine roar, roar, roar. They're wanting more, more, more.
In the afterglow, yeah, I run the show. Do, 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 do. Paint the city black, black, black. Never turning back, 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 back. Paint the city black, black, black. Never turning back, back, back,
The world is sleeping now. We on this lonely town.
don't know.
scene.
Move to the scene, go on and lose control with it.
Front of the line.
Go to the line.
Right. Step inside the floor just shakes. All the eyes on me for goodness sakes. Not here to talk, not here to wait. Just here to find my chosen fate. Bounce now to the beat. Feel the low end in your feet. She sees me looking indiscreet. Yeah, the night is ours, can't be beat. Yeah, she knows the vibe. No need to lie. Yeah, she knows the vibe.
Tonight we fly.
Black card, no limit, that's the game. Matter of fact, she heard my name. She knows the fame. Top floor, penthouse, light the flame. I'm not the one you're gonna tame.